with you. I'm not a vlogger.
Just get in it with me for a second. Good morning, everybody. It is currently, let's see what time it is. It's 8:49.
It's colder than a raccoon on a Friday night.
And it's really cold. I'm taking Bret riding today, and we have to be at Milestone track at 10. So we are gonna get on the road now, maybe get a couple stacks on the way.
Yep.
Ayo!
Snacks.
Got any money in there?
Oh, there's 20.
We're rich. Do you want a Gatorade?
No.
That's it?
No.
Dill pickle, the best ones.
No, these are real ones. You write anything down over there?
My shoes are really dirty because it's really muddy here, but oh, here, we're gonna walk through this mud right here. Great. Great. Just awesome. So since it's super windy outside and freezing, I'm wearing 2 jackets because it's so cold. And a just long sleeve shirt because I'm freezing. I decided to come back to the van and I'm gonna watch a movie. This is all I need in my life. Just dill pickles and some Netflix. And Bret will be done training in about an hour. So I'm gonna watch some Grey's Anatomy, and the Wi-Fi's not working. This is awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Love not connected to the internet. Awesome.
Brown, yellow, orange, red.
You have purple?
Pink. Yeah, right here. Purple.
Hi everyone. Today is race day, and me and my mom and my dog are currently driving to the track right now. And this is my sweet puppy. 8:30 right now, and his first race is at 9. So I will see you guys at the track.
And I'm like, what's up? It's like I'm in the hospital. What's this all this rain?
Let's go! touch it.